In this video, I'll guide you through how to remove holidays from Google Calendar. If your calendar is cluttered with holiday events you don't really need, this quick walkthrough will show you how to hide them and even unsubscribe from that holiday calendar completely. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that you use for your calendar. If you have multiple accounts, it's a good idea to quickly check the profile icon in the top right corner and confirm you're on the correct one so you're editing the calendar you actually use. Once your Google Calendar is open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a couple of sections there, including one labeled My Calendars and another one labeled Other Calendars. The holiday calendar is usually listed under Other Calendars, along with things like shared calendars, tasks, and maybe some extra calendars you've added in the past. Take a moment to scroll through the Other Calendars list. You're looking for the holiday calendar, which might be named something like Holidays in Philippines, or it could show holidays for another region, depending on how your account is set up. Next to that holiday calendar name, you'll see a small colored checkbox. To quickly hide holiday events from your main calendar view, simply click that checkbox to uncheck it. As soon as you do this, all the holiday entries from that calendar will disappear from your main calendar, but the calendar itself is still there in case you ever want to turn it back on. This is useful if you just want a cleaner view temporarily. If you'd like to go further and completely remove that holiday calendar from your account, you can unsubscribe from it. To do that, hover your mouse over the holiday calendar name under Other Calendars. You'll see three vertical dots appear, which is the More Options menu. Click on those three dots. A small menu will open, giving you a few choices specifically for that holiday calendar. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you directly to the settings page for that particular calendar, where you can manage how it appears and whether you're subscribed to it. On the calendar settings page, look for the option to unsubscribe. It may be labeled as unsubscribe or something very similar. Click on that option. When you unsubscribe, you're telling Google Calendar that you no longer want that holiday calendar attached to your account. The holidays from that calendar will be removed from your calendar view, and the calendar itself will disappear from the other calendars list. If you ever change your mind later and want to see holidays again, you can always add a holiday calendar back from the Browse Calendars of Interest section in Google Calendar settings. But for now, after you've unchecked the box and chosen to unsubscribe, your calendar should look much cleaner without those holiday events taking up space. That's all you need to do to remove holidays from Google Calendar, either by simply hiding them or by fully unsubscribing from the holiday calendar.